When I'm in my city, I be doing my thing. Speakers up, bang.
What's up, Fire Gang? It's your boy, Fire Cutter, and I'm back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys our new refrigerator, and I'm going to be going back to school shopping at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Home Depot just delivered the refrigerator this morning at 10 o'clock, so let's go check it out. Got Bruno in the cage right there, crying. So, voila, this is a Samsung refrigerator, and we have ice maker and a water maker. So you just sit your cup right here, and then you push back, and ice and water will come out. But it won't. It's not working right now because they just delivered the refrigerator. So we have to get someone to come to hook up the ice system and the water system to the refrigerator. And if you press this button, it shows you the temperature inside of the refrigerator. So let's open up. Look at this masterpiece. So we got shelves on the doors, shelves, and you might think this is just a storage area for food, a small storage area. Psych! You thought? Look at all this. It goes deep back. And then we got you can put it on a certain food. You can press a button to put it on a certain food. For right now it's just on freeze, and so yeah. And we got vegetable side. Got some greens right there. Fruit side. Got some strawberries. Yeah. So let's close this up. And then let's look at the freezer part. We got ice packs, just in case. We got ice packs on this side, just in case somebody gets hurt or we get a headache. And this side, you got ice cream and a ice tray. This is just top. This side, we got dinner, we got breakfast. And then, so guys, if you open everything and it's like dark outside, this can light up the whole kitchen. All of these lights, it can light up the whole kitchen. And so, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to be going back to school shopping. So I'm going to pause that right here. See you at the end of the video. Oh boy, Fireback Kid, and I'm still here, same video. Right now, we're going back to school shopping for me. And right now, we're at Marshall's. We're looking for some shoes. We just walked out of Target. We really just walked in there to get a toy for Noah. Noah, you want to say what's up to the camera? YouTube? Hello. You can actually have that toy because that's for free because they don't sell that here. Noah found this toy. So he found this toy on the shelf. But it looks like one of them toys from McDonald's. So we might not have to pay for that. We might have just left it. We're getting me some clothes in here or some shoes. Say what's up. Just looking around for some clothes and stuff. No, don't roll that on the ground.
I want to show them.
You did.
I want to show them the toy again.
No one wants to show you guys the toy again.
It's incredible.
Show them what it does.
It's incredible.
Show them what it does.
Okay. Look. Pretty cool, right?
So, you guys like my camera and tripod? I found the mirror. Just thought I would show you guys my camera and tripod. What kind of shirt you like? Let me know, guys. Do you guys like this shirt? Tell me in the comments below. Tell me if you like that shirt in the comments. Comment yes if you like it and comment no if you don't like it. They got some suitcases over here.
Oh my.
Show you guys. You need to look for a big lunch bag for me for school. Guys, the first time that I went to back to school shopping, I went to the outlet mall in Michigan City, and but I forgot to bring my camera. I'm sorry about that. I kind of like this lunch bag. This blue Nike lunch bag. I like this one. You like this one? Kind of like it a little bit, but I seen better. It's a nice book bag, but it's kind of small. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Is that for you? Oh. Oh, I thought that was... Here, guys, let me know in the comments if you guys like this shirt and stuff. Timberland shirt. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah. Guys, I like this book bag, but it's kind of small. And I already got two book bags that I can...
Look at this guy.
I already got two book bags at home that I have to choose from. But I kind of like this one. Can you hand me my phone really quick? I need you to take a picture for me for the thumbnail. Come over here. I'm about to take the thumbnail picture, guys. Guys, just to let you know, this might be my longest video that I ever posted. We got a champion outfit over here, but I don't really like that. And guys, if you are watching my videos, and you can't really hear me that good, so, what you have to do is turn, if you're watching it on your phone, you have to turn the volume up on your phone all the way so you can hear me better. Because I can't talk that loud. I'm talking loud right now, but I can't talk that loud on the store because I might get in trouble in the store. So I'm just talking loud right now so you can hear me just say do this. And if you guys are wondering what type of camera I have, I'm just going to tell you. I have a GoPro and I have a flexible tripod. Comment down below if you like our new refrigerator that just got delivered this morning. I love it. It's amazing. These suitcases are kind of nice. This one, no, doesn't this one look kind of like that? That one right there? Yeah. No, what are you doing? No, don't kick this dude over here. Look at this dude. He kicking the suitcase. Why were you doing that? He said he was kicking the suitcase because it was in his way. Dude, you could have just moved it. No, you're not supposed to kick it. You move it with your hands. Guys, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. So next video, I'm gonna be doing a challenge. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's called the Pause Challenge. Can I get this? You guys like this Blade Blade? I don't know if you can see it. I need a charging system for my phone. Like one of those things where you plug it into the wall and then you sit your phone on top of it and then it charges. My mom has that, but that's for her. I use it sometimes. I haven't used it in a while though, because she took it to work. Get one. They got some cactuses and flowers over here. My mom said she wants one for the kitchen. Maybe put it on top of the refrigerator. Our brand new Samsung refrigerator. Again, guys, like this video if you like this refrigerator, the new refrigerator. comment down below if it was a cop or a drop. I'm about to go to the checkout line right now. I'm back, and we just walked into Kohl's. Gonna look for, here's some more clothes for me. We're gonna get like some Adidas clothes or something. After we leave here, we have one more stop to go. We're going to Burlington, and then that's gonna be our last stop. No, I don't. Noah is getting on my nerves right now, guys. Maybe this one? Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you guys like this? Like this Under Armour lunch bag? Comment down below if you guys like that lunch bag. What is this? Guys, do you know what this is? I don't know what this is. I think this is like a mattress, like so you can feel what type of mattress this is. Alright guys, we're walking to the kids section, trying to look for me like some Jordan clothes or Adidas clothes. They're right here. Say what's up.
So you see, I found this. I found this Woody, and there's some more in the car.
I don't know what happened. Noah, he used to be obsessed with Spider-Man, but now he loves Toy Story for some reason. It's like he switched. Do you still like Spider-Man, Noah?
I like Flash, Toy Story, Spider-Man, and Batman.
Guys, hear that?
And Ben 10.
Did you say Toy Story? Oh.
Look at this, guys.
Noah wants to show you guys that. Okay, guys, I just got back in the car, and we just left out of Kohl's, and we ended up not going to Burlington because Noah was acting too bad. So we're just gonna go home. So I have to end out the video. And so shout out to my grandpa on my mom's side and my grandpa on my dad's side, because it's both of their birthdays, and they have the same name too. So shout out to you guys. And so if you like this video, and you like the refrigerator, drop a like on this video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn your post notifications on. And so I'm just gonna end out the video. Peace.